sweet fruits in a toast, slice strawberries and kiwi, cut the bread in half, chop the vegetables, onion, carrot, celery, mix with eggs, add tuna, a pinch of salt, mix well. Pour oil into a pan, add the egg mixture, spread it wide, place the bread on top, press gently, flip it over, add cheese on one side, strawberries on the other, fold it in half. This time, add kiwi, crispy outside, soft inside. Korean street toast usually has sugar, but I used fresh fruit. Sweet, savory, so good. Try it at home. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.